Guys, breaking news, guys. Breaking news, guys. This is breaking news.
The Economic and Organized Crime Office of Ghana arrested more than 300 victims. Okay, yeah, those are people that have been caught up in this kind of things, and I was once a victim. And I'm gonna tell you today that this operation has been happening for the longest time ever, because I was being lured into Ghana 2021, and I know what these people, what they went through, and they are still going through, because I know this happened in Kumasi. You can imagine the offices they open in other parts of Ghana. I want to use this medium to give a very big shout out to Ghana government. You guys are really doing well, because we are not sure if this company is correct. If it is a correct company, like if the company are supposed to operate in Ghana, then why are they using lies to bring people to Ghana? They use lies to bring you down to Ghana, telling you, they're going to pay you this amount in dollars. But when you come, I don't know, maybe they're using juju to convince you. Then before you know, you give your money, you put in your money, and before you know, they will start letting you, like telling you that, okay, you have to bring 2 people, and those 2 people will bring 2 people, then you will keep growing. So that is what they are using to confuse them. I know our greed is the only thing that is making us involve ourselves into this kind of thing. You'll be thinking about the money you spend coming. Then you'll be like, how would I recover my money? How would I get back my money? And they will let you know that, okay, to get back your money in double folds, you have to call somebody. So at that point, you will not think about, okay, what the person will go through, because you also went through the same thing. So that's exactly what happened. And people are being caught up in this kind of things, So I know how they operate. And I must say that this company is fake. If it's not fake, then why are they lying, bringing people, luring people into this mess? Because for all I'm concerned, nobody is keeping money. Then when you call them, they'll just take the money from somewhere. Even me, I know what I went through before I could gather up money and embark on the journey to Accra, Ghana. So you can imagine, in that same place, I have people that are Ghanaians, but money that they will use from like transportation to transport themselves from Tamale to Accra, no problem. You understand? God, people suffered though. People suffered. I'm not even sure if some people can return back to their homes. You know why? Because some of them took loans. Yes, some of them took loans, so they cannot just go back empty-handed, and they've made promises to their families. So how would such person return home with what? Nothing in his hands. And I think Ghana government should do something about this. This QNet company, they should lock them up. All those people, they should sue them, because they are destroying people's life, especially in Africa. I don't know the mentality that we have, that these people will come and convince us, buy a product. So you cannot sell your products by yourself, like telling people what your product can do. The only means you have is by lying to people, then they will come buy your products and invite other people to come and buy your products. I don't understand. Things are not being done that way. So you want everything to be sharp. That's not how life is. You have to start somewhere. But this student, I don't think they want to start somewhere. They want to convince people by fire by force to buy their product. If not, why would you lie and lure people from different countries to come to another country just because people are desperate to make it in life? Well, guys, it's very, very sad that our youth of nowadays are desperately, looking for means to make money by fire by force. And it's not even their fault. If our government provide jobs, like job opportunities for us, nobody will even think of, traveling to another country to look for what will help him. Our government, you guys are not doing well. If not, what will make me as a Nigerian leave my country, travel to Ghana for some kind of fake job? This is fake for all I'm concerned. And please, Ghana government, you guys should do something about this, because this QNet is destroying a lot of lives, not just in Ghana, but in Africa at large. And I know that if Ghanaian government start dealing with this company QNet, then other countries will follow and do the same thing, guys. Well, we thank God, because of course Ghana government have started rescuing, because I believe these 300 people are rescued, okay? And one thing with them, I don't know why, maybe they do give them juju, so when they drink that thing, or the food they are giving them there, because of course they gave us food, and it's inside your money, maybe because of that food, or they usually put something inside the food, because when you go there, you become like somebody, like you're not yourself. Yeah, you'll be like you are someone else. Because I've experienced all these things, but once you live there, you see yourself carrying your cell phone, calling people, asking them to leave also. That's how it is. So guys, let's get right into the video. There you hear it from Ghana boy's mouth. Let's watch, and please at the end of it, I would love you to drop your opinion in the comment section, and definitely I will be back.
Guys, breaking news, guys. Breaking news, guys. This is breaking news, guys. Information reaching us right now is that the Economic and Organized Crime Office, IOCO of Ghana, the Economic and Organized Crime Office of Ghana, which is the IOCO, today they went on what they will call, or they will term as, the largest QNet operation, the largest anti-QNet arrest operation they've ever been to. And today they were able to arrest 320 and over people that were in Kumasi alone. So I think after Sheikh Toure, the Senegalese player's demise, which investigations or speculations are leading, it was through QNet. There's a company called QNet in Ghana, and according to the company, people are rather using the company's name for these illegal activities. And today, about 320 of these people were arrested by the Economic and the IOCO. And you know, the company QNet itself, this is where a lot of people are asking questions that, you know, if the company's name is being used for this, and even if the company is legit, the only way people will believe it is true is because the company is in Ghana. So a lot of people are raising awareness that the QNet company itself in Ghana, no one is saying it is good, whether the company itself is good or bad, but it should be banned from Ghana. QNet should be banned, like it should be banned from Ghana, because it's like majority of the people are using the name of that company to do the things with their, and it's too much. So now that it's too much, I think if they can ban the company itself, or they can put a stop to their activities, and then let the whole world know that there's nothing like QNet in Ghana anymore, so that people won't be falling victims to this. But God bless the IOCO. Today, 320 people have been released. Ghana Immigration Service, you people who come to your office. When I'm saying this, the demonstration will bring it to your doorstep, to Ghana Immigration Office. How did the 320 people or whatever enter Ghana?
So what Ghana boy is saying, that the company said that other people, like people, are using the company's name to lure people. Make I tell you, I'm a victim of all these things. I'm a victim. They lured me from Nigeria to Ghana. Tamale, precisely, guys. I know how I suffered in Tamale. See, it's just like the food they're giving you guys there. It be like say they are putting something inside the food. So when you are there, your way of thinking, everything will change. Everything will change. You will not even know what you are doing. But once you step your foot out of that place, you find yourself carrying your phone, calling people, telling them to leave, or that place is not for them. I'm telling you guys, I am a victim of this, you know, this whole scenario that people are suffering from. And immediately I left Tamale, I was just calling people, that work no be better work, oh, ma una live there, make I tell una something. And I met so many Ghanaians are there. Even transportation that will take them from Tamale to Accra, now problem, a lot. And the company have the right to say people are using their company name to do what? Are they okay? Is it because that now everything is open? Can't you use the right prompt to sell your products? Must you bring people must you lure people, lying to them? When they come, you will tell them to call other people to come and buy the same product. Not be your product they are selling. Now it's the same product now. So why are you saying that people are using your company name to defraud other people? This one not be say, I know they happy as they buy your product. No matter what, your company now fake for all I'm concerned. You guys don't follow the right prompt. I know how I suffered, and I'm bitterly telling you guys this. Ghana government, thank you so much for, you know, laying a foundation. I just hope other African countries will see reasons to also do the same thing in their countries. More than 300 have been rescued. For all I'm concerned, these people have been rescued, because when you are there, it's like they soak you into some kind of blood that you cannot take yourself out. And they'll be convincing you every day, telling you lies. I know what I went through. As I tell you guys, this thing has been there for the longest time ever, because I was brought to Ghana since 2021. So you can imagine, since 2021. I'm telling you. So from 2021, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 years. And it has been happening before I was brought into it. And the company have the right to open their mouth and be saying that people are using their company name to do all of this. I don't believe in this, Jerry. And the government, keep arresting them, okay? And I believe this same thing is also happening in Nigeria. You know why? Those companies in Ghana, yes, those are people, the people that brought me to Ghana, they opened a company in Nigeria, in Ogun State. If you see the mansion they rented and they took our people, the Nigerian people, they brought them back. And they don't even follow the right prompts for like passing through the border. They don't follow the right prompt. They follow backyard. All those agents in the border, they're supposed to arrest them. Yes, they're supposed to arrest them. They have agents in the border. All they care about is their money. Then they will cross people using the back door. I think Ghana government should put their focus on that back door. That back door. The kind of illegal people that pass through the back border. Those people, those criminals. Hey, you guys will come and be saying blah, 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 blah. But back door at the border is open. Can't they close the back door? Because that's where people do pass through. Those illegal people coming into Ghana, that's where they do pass through. And they come to Ghana. And you guys will come and be saying criminals are coming into Ghana. There's high rate of crimes in Ghana. Meanwhile, the back door at the border is open. Where do you expect them to pass through? It's not the back door. See, it's not only in Kumasi. Tamale, them, they there. Tamale, them, they there. And I believe even in Accra, gone, these people are there. So I don't believe and I don't trust this company called QNet. Ghana government, thank you so much for putting, like, for, taking a step, this huge step. Because I believe other African countries will also, raise concern by, stopping these things from happening in their country. Guys, we still have a lot of video I want us to check out. Let's jump into it. And please, at the end of it, kindly drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
Enkwara to be kasa omu to be chere bibi omo so omo ofo woni bibi omu free
adam mo feme bi ni inara wo oye sayem wo ina wo sayem na wo ye hon din kwama no wo chere de oye nipa abenta na o che ho no fra hwan de orubi sa hwan asam ewo de o hwehwe obi ewo krom ho o wie ni na o che de oye hon gina ho wo gudu wo din kwama no we hu ma oye ye che wo so nti o che de we hu ma oye we and papa no gudu ni won gina ho all stop for car na o
de yeso soma wo ye beba be ka kire mo na mo so ma hye na obi atibi de say de obetima say obetu nuafo wankasa obebo ho ban enye spiritual ne ho anwan mo ani na ho alatafo no wo system ni biafra ibu omugum omo de nipa nam no mo we o meduru system ni mu no enkofo ma eyireyira yete ye Ghana yi se Ghana ni kwa kidnap obi yetibo yete baby enkofo abegumu disanse mu huni ewo system nim asema asi ewo takwa a ya kidnapping kwara mienu anka de wo mokoro nyankopon edi omho afofie ameache wo mo ye kohwe mu a ya latafo ye kan asem we wo ha ne nkofo afa ne se ya agro ne yedi wo beka ne se oti abruchiri emfa wo ho me sei wo ho ne afra wo se wonua bi a kidnapping fasika bra wo beka se kona bakan ebesi nkofo na abra system nim atimi amaniva awura ba bi obi so mu wura bia eno mu dinse mu hunu e wo system nim se ya ye ka se wo ba betima p 6 pm so okudi agora wa bonta na 5 pm kran anhwe a wo mafie bim ti nkomo na ye di ni asema asi watakwa no mamu mfa nya agro ehiafo ene eye oni biefo no ene benya problems kese na dako oni biefo ni nyina besa ne beka sikafo ene primafo no mo ombetie simu so mo renam ni wie beka dompe no eho ene nyina ebi hu yenko ha de asi watakwa a Nigeria ni kidnapping kwara mienu a so kokun mu so de omkwaji siku so koye de yu mkwai na munkuti de bia de tia e bebo kokko ma wani.
Ghana has turned into this way and people are just sitting down and unconcerned. President and people who are interior minister, foreign affairs minister, everybody is unconcerned even when the nationality of the person is so real. Nipa bako uchim kwala mienu tabafo mo fukurasi bibia anka se manka mo ne namaka mo threaten mo MP ni mo DC ni ade anka nchemo for it's too much. Mo hia talk of enjoy for no bo fu say bibi no ben ho mo power nso.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is Lai Wasabi, one and only Sweet Like Honey, and I'm on MTN Yellow Card Season 4.
Say, Bibi, no, who pay one power so.
Okay, incident I see what I found Sayama. I am Monday, no, yeah, that's only Tuesday, me a club of February, and I said trouble too. The next Wednesday, I must have what I need for us about Saturday, or a chamber for 2 nights. I'm matching on. No, say, I'm up. I say I'm a fellow.
Why man you could be woman? Why man you could be fly? I don't know. Kabika. Why you going my bulo?
Mrano munkuno nya sadia. Ama block kwan no. Ka anko ka. Awo takwan sayim. Enti wana afana incident na ren.
No. Kabika. Detina sa dem wo yesi. Na mo ba fa sa mo fa tu. Abraham do mo ku ba ko. Na mo ba ti ga. Na ya kwa na block no. E kwa na do de akoso o mai mu.
Say ya sabla bona ye bo. We are say sikani bread do wa fa. Sikani bread do wa fa. You understand? That was last 2 days. And me yan ko bi tola. Never small girl. What you ya 6 year old girl. 6 year. What kuno ya na to o na se bo na to the class. Fine no so ya bi obobo a. First and so ni pe de seni what from kola ko me nu na on ko fakara ide. E joni ko. Asa odi kola tu ne be foka. And I say no one can what be the procession. I face it for when you volunteer on person dey na. Anti mo ka say o mo ni kola ni pie. What the busan question see the police when you kola be be say no kwa na say enja no kwa say in pa dey wo ya say so pa say so a. E we say no ke nka say me show. So one go go to ni bi. So I'm so make charge out to Kanum. I'm so make charge out to Kanum. Yeah no. I'm so make charge out to Kanum. Asama ono. Mo say life no. Ya be ma update bia mo say life no. Nipa 500 mo say follow me. Mo say life no. E say am kwai. Oba block road no. Oba block road. Ko block road na say. E say am so mo ko block road no bia si no. Am so me say nyina. Mo say life no. Ya ba block road no. Ya block road no. Am fa ba bia. I'm father bia. Monti. No matter.
Now, what would they? Abranche bi kita mofama ebien wo nsem na ode mofama no no de won gina oye filling station na oye Nova filling station na owo nsayem dodo na wo fa Piero filling station onam no rani din nti onye ni gina ho na oye closer to bus stop na do mo was suspecting in there one form of family no be gina bus stop na de won ko gina filling station na o try there or stop a car no kuma for no nam the wire announcement there afọkọ ewu ma weyiyi no ho nyama wado koninti wo so wenyu ada ho na yi na obi ben oye abente yi okita mo fa yi won sem no bisa no question obisa na na no fofo obisa na wo hu de oye hoho nti mo na wo ho na start da wo bro abente na ada o ma ni 3 ye de oye police station was right opposite oye Nova filling station and Piero filling station the police wo hu dam na wo so rush na wabagye abante ni free mbente na wabru ni sim na wade no kopay no police station kuma fo no what's dam pen na what's da bida there wa be boku oye be si abakor oye Tuesday and Monday ne day wo makwan ma da ma bente mpa no hondi nti mbente wo soja wo be two oye police station enim ho wo start da warrior basabasa police fi start da wo to warning shot na onam de no sayem kro na nkasa osunti wentum wan shawodo ma wo fe oye simpa police fo bay simpa police fo so bay a wo so wentum wan she nkofo no wodo wo san wo fe oye takwa police oye central police angaza wo so wo bay a na dum na ado so che dey wo se police fo wodo ma wo fe oye 2bn asoja fo wo be be kan ho ansana na wo wie no na che dey ehwa nyimpa ko film oye hona no wo protest na ku film anan wo play papa me you look say the man no wo Nsayem hospital worry the treatment wonye oye benyimbe onam there Nsayem senti and police station senti what the benyimbe ya was suspect there oye the kidnap oye da mufemi what the na transfer ne the na call oye Tapa Central agasa there wo kwa akoye hwehwem nti Jacob na ma we si Tapa Nsayem ni yenye di chief bo be si biara efi Tapa no yade Abraham
Charles abaya na wodi kan eyiraye na ade achi yekumu se yade na ne body na se na mu no ehye adaka mu a na na ne honam akwa no ebi wo ho no mayi fa na no matwitware ko
the members abande we twitwani bebia na pants keke na wo fai na na pop wash ono na wo ma do kwai na wo de no so ehye box mi to the American but no ho one fa grade na second intwani bebia pants na na am the ohia one na pop one so na ohye no ono na no ohia one so ono na wo do kwai but one fa bibiara na we ntwa no party biara afa anko
sabu akwada no onni nua no na fi school ekofie e no nko atira ya na se wanko school sada no
school bara the one that we put school that you for me do wa we jago school what I didn't see the ono na okay chira da mo nkofi wotum wo fan wo dada na de no kwa share baby a wo kun wa ye da wo kun wo wie na wo de no be to school da nature
ya mena back so I branch here o mo che no enkwada mienu na eka no ho no enkwada to be kasa o mo to be chere bebi o mo so o ma ofo woni bebi o mo free
da mo for me bi enyi inara wo sayem we na wo sayem na wo ye hon din kwama no wo chere de nipa abenta na o che ho no fra hon de orubi sa hona asam ewo de o hwehwe obi ewo krom ho o wie ni na o chere de onye ho njina ho wo gudu wo di nkwama no we hu ma oye ye wo so nti o che de we hu ma oye wo hu ya nde papa no gudu ni ho njina ho a all stop car na o de ho na afo car nti from there no we nyim mo oye ya o de wo jina ho a na all hwehwe car do we tumi de ho na ashim from there no mo fama ne ntum anchire mo pote ma o si akasa o tumi de ho njina ho da wo hwehwe car de ja kwam ne be wo de the monk of aya nyama wadi ye woni adwuma no obi be se panyinu mpo wonyo kasa na obi be se wo susum enya time mo wana wodi nkomo ko ekira ya wo susum tumu to wodo ma bebi a wo pada wodo ko biara wo tumu de woko but then say na onam de na announcement ko akwada denti wo hu no nyame na odi wo de kira wo hu de na so ayem si ye de bia ye ho kwa do ko ni npa wodo pa na so ye ho ko de su ho pe wo bi de ye ho ko ofi ha.
After irate youth attack in Swayam Police Station, the Western Central Regional Police Command has restored calm at Swayam following a violent attack on the Swayam Police Station in the Western region. Preliminary interrogations include that on Wednesday, 29th October 2025, a group of about 15 men, accompanied by 2 children aged 7 and 5, brought to the station suspect Sule Moses and Azemosi Sule, aged 25, with a report that they had spotted him by the roadside near Nivo filling station conversing with the children. They suspected that he intended to lure children to an unknown destination and therefore demanded police action. Police detained the suspect after the children confirmed that he had forcibly held the hand of one of them as they tried to leave. Shortly after that, a mob of about 500 people armed with stones and other offensive weapons besieged the station, demanding the suspect release. The crowd blocked the Takwade-Takwa highway, set tires ablaze, and threw stones at the police, damaging 2 vehicles, parts of the station building, and several impounded motorbikes. The police reinforcement team, with the support of the military, dispersed the crowd and brought the situation under control. 3 police officers and 4 civilians sustained injuries and were treated at the Swayam Government Hospital. 1 civilian was later referred to the Efia Nkwanta Regional Hospital for further treatment. The suspect has been transferred to the Takwa Regional Headquarters for further investigations. All officers at the Swayam Police Station have been relocated to a safe place and the station has been temporarily closed.
Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. I love you. Bye-bye.